Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This is a short video to notify you of an upcoming IDEO event that I'm interested in. It's happening on Ape Terminal. Now, with Ape Terminal, you don't have to have their token to participate. However, selection is lottery based. There's a good chance of being selected. I've been selected perhaps 2 or 3 times on there in the past. I don't participate in all, by the way. I prefer those that have favorable vesting. So amongst the ones available at the moment, Casper AI does have favorable vesting compared to the others. That's why I'm featuring it. It's also the first AI agent project on Casper network. I'm interested in AI agents on new chains, the first ones. So recently I've got that of AO Computer on the Arweave ecosystem. I've got one for Sue, the very first AI agent launchpad on Sue, and like that. There's also one on Zercute, which I'll feature towards the end of this video. So this is for Casper. I'm quite interested, but it's lottery based. So it's not, I may be selected or not. Okay, but it doesn't take much to participate in this. I will not be connecting my wallet here. This is not my main account, and I don't necessarily want to connect. I just may, just to just me, but the focus here is on the metrics of the IDO. So starting with the vesting schedule. So if we go to token metrics here, so if you were to participate in this, it's going to be 35 released at TGE, 0-month cliff, then 3 months, 5 months vesting. I don't know if this is linear or a portion of the allocation will be given to you per month over the course of 5 months, but at least 35% will be released at TGE. Now, I didn't very much like that they will have a FJORD sale because that's an auction type of sale, but having looked here, this will not have much impact because in fact it may favor price discovery because only $50,000 will be raised in that sale, so it will not be a fixed price type of sale. So 35% is good enough. Generally, the allocation they would give you, I don't know what metrics they use, but generally it's not high based on my experience. You can get at times 250, 500, at times 200, depending on how much they're raising, and the level of interest. For this one, there has been interest so far, but I believe there's a good chance of getting in, considering there's 22 hours left and around like 50 million assets worth 50 million have been connected. So judging by that, I would say that not so many have participated just yet. That may change towards the end of the registration phase. Okay, so all you have to do here to indicate your interest is connect your wallet, then click on join now, and that will capture your participation. Then you will look at the timeline, after the snapshot during this lottery phases, if you will know if you've been selected, meaning that you will need to come back here such that if you are selected, you can then contribute. Generally, even if you are selected, based on my experience, you need to be present when the window opens to participate, because even that phase is kind of first come first serve. So if let's say there are 800 slots during the lottery, they will select like 1,000 to create an allowance in case some people don't participate. So it's usually first come first serve, but the window for participation is hours or something like that. Okay, so that's general information. It's as simple as clicking join now. I don't want to click join now because this I've already joined on my main wallet. So That's about it for this video. If you are now interested in other details about the project, another reason I'm interested is because it's also running an IDO on Polka Starter. Polka Starter incubates solid projects generally, combined with Ape Terminal. As for key features, passive income through royalty, creators earn perpetual royalty on every trade involving their AI agent. We all know what so actually, wow. So it looks bigger than just an AI agent. It looks like it's actually an AI agent launch pad, which improves its narrative, making it like the virtuals of Casper. And Casper founder and CTO serves as an official advisor. Casper is a solid ecosystem, by the way, under the radar, but highly valued in terms of rankings and TVL. But I've never interacted with it. I don't know how it has fared lately, but I think this is Casper here, 200 million market cap. Just a moment. Yes, this is it. Okay, so and that project may just wake it up again. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Let me keep it short and relevant. It's as simple as click join now to indicate your participation. Then what did I forget? Okay, yes, I forgot to say that even though it says that you can indicate your interest without KYC during the time of participation, if you are selected, you will be told to KYC. KYC, although I did it long ago, at the time was through Block Pass. So I'd KYC there in the past, and it was very easy for me to accomplish, but it's a one-time effort. Once you are KYC'd during the time of participation, it will be checked. Like when you go to your portfolio, you will see it checked. So, depending on if you like to KYC, you may want to start the process of completing KYC. And that's about it for this video. If you have questions, ask me on airdropc.com. There is a contact form by which you can reach me. Beneath the homepage, you can subscribe to airdrop reminders here. And this is another airdrop that I'm interested in by Good Tech. It's the first AI agent on the Zircuit chain. Zircuit is a new chain, like 1 or 2 weeks old, and you can basically mine this airdrop fashion. So I'll be putting the information about this in the description. I'm interested in this one because it's like the AI XBT of the Zircuit chain, and it has an airdrop. It's giving away a large bulk of its supply. Around 78% of its supply can be mined, no VC and stuff like that. So, and it will have a terminal. Only stakers will be able to access the terminal. Basically what it does is make alpha calls, and this AI, they are very good with alpha calls. If you want to have insight into that, you can look at the track record of AI XBT. In fact, it cost $100,000 more than to access the terminal or brain of AI XBT. So if it's possible to get the tokens of this early on, even from a utility standpoint, I'm participating actively in this to mine the airdrop. Again, it just started, 1 day old. Starting early is of relevance, considering 2% of the supply will be given away in the first week, and it's under the radar. People don't know about it. As people get to know about it, it becomes scarcer, the allocation per head. So that's about it for this video. Take action, stay awesome. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.